Good morning, everybody. It is March 30th, and here's your plan of attack. Haven't done it in the last few days, but here's yours for today. Okay, so first things up, let's go ahead and look at what is happening in the economic calendar. And you see an hour before the market open, we do have final GDP and unemployment claims. So that's coming out tomorrow. Or it's tomorrow. uh, an hour before they open. Don't know where that came from, but yeah, you know where I'm going there. Okay, so now let's look at big picture and narrow it in. Okay, so big picture, we obviously came down to support and we're rallying. Did get a flush back lower to this 2-year reporting control, and now we're pushing back up. Cool, so that's great. Things are starting to look to the upside at the moment. It'd be great if it continues to go forth, in my opinion. But how is this going to affect us today? All right, so for today, the plan is relatively, in my opinion, uh, simple, clear cut, and let's just talk about it. All right, so you see these wicks up here, and the wicks from these candles right here. So it's from this candle here and this candle here. These little wicks, that's what this gray box is, just to see if it holds or not. It also goes all the way across a few other time frames, but is an area that has shown to be resistance in the past. So I just wanted to mark that so I could track it, but it doesn't quite change anything at the moment. Now let's go ahead and look at our squeezes. As you can imagine, there's squeezes pretty much happening on every single time frame. And what is really good with noting is, okay, so we have a 4-hour squeeze that is firing now to the upside, right up into this resistance. It doesn't mean we can't get a pullback, and we could, but larger time frame is pushing up towards these resistance levels, and hourly still just firing away. So at the moment, path of resistance is to the upside. Now, how do we play it? Really, it's in my opinion, today is pretty clear cut if you're looking to get directional for the day. There is a fire line up at 4101 on the ES, and SPX's fire line is up at 4083. So for my plan today, how I am going to look to trade these, or how you could use this to trade these. I'm going to do it a little bit differently today, but I'll save that for the people in the small cap mastery and the options room. But if you're looking to get directional on a trade today, with everything looking bullish, I mean, just wait for your pullback. I would say to VWAP, really get your trend rotations and then take it back up. Boom, easy pullback buy. I mean, with larger time frames all going or higher, right? Everything's looking bullish. By all means, buy the dip. I mean, there's no reason not to. Just watch out for 4101 on ES, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then just also watch 4082, which is the top of this gray box. Now, say the market does not like how the GDP comes out, doesn't like what is said, things like that. Say the market doesn't like it, it flushes. You really want it just to break these key levels. If it breaks it, you'll get a quick retracement. You can even look at a lower time frame over here for it. Short the rally and then take it back down. And then look out for the 60-minute 50 EMA. That's pretty much it. And that 60-minute 50 EMA lines up with the daily 5, which would make excuse me, makes sense for a quick test of it before potentially going higher. But that's pretty much it, really. Bam, there's a plan. Places I'm looking to go long, places I'm looking to go short. If getting directional, I'm probably going to do a Iron Flyer, Iron Condor with a certain variation to it. I'll talk about some in those rooms. But if you want to come trade with me in those rooms, I'm in the Small Account Mastery daily and in the options room some throughout the week. But that's pretty much it. Here's the plan here. But everyone have a great day, be patient, and have a good one. Take care.